Uh, hey guys, I figured I'll do a cold start on my Ford Focus, another one. My car has been sitting for 3 days because I was gone away on my retreat. Um, and I figured I'd just give it a start up, see how it does, because I know it's been cold here, and when I went on my retreat, it was cold up there as well. So let's get started. I'm also do a startup on the Ford Fusion as well because I got to move it. Got snow. It's kind of hard. I thought it was soft. I guess snow's probably a little soft. Yep. Must have rained too. It's got 95,000. Here we go. Not bad after sitting for 3 days. Not bad at all. You can see the little snow mountain in here. Alrighty, let's move over to the Ford Fusion. Alright, so we're in the Ford Fusion. The steering wheel's kind of turned the other way, so how well this can turn out, but it should be alright. Alright, start her up. Beauty. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed cold start on my Focus, and this is just a cold start on the Fusion. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Hey everyone, just thought I'd do another cold start on my Ford Focus. I think it's around 22, 23 degrees out. I'll find out in a little bit. $95,000. And that thing says it's -4. Here we go. Nice. She's smoking. Been a good car overall. Doesn't like the cold, but starts up very well. Alright, I'm gonna let it warm up for a little while. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.